subtract 6 minus 2/3. We'll do this using method 1. What we're going to do is we're going to line up the whole parts and the fraction parts. 6 minus 2/3. Notice we don't have any fraction part in our first number 6. There's no fraction part. So we have 0 minus 2/3. Now we need to have something to subtract from. I am going to write the number 0, which is what we have here in the fraction part, in a really strange way. I'm going to write 0 divided by the same denominator as we have in our other fraction. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0, right? 0 over 3 is still 0. So I really haven't changed anything. But now we have something to work with. What we're going to do now is we're going to do the steps we use for borrowing, using this as the fraction part for the number 6. 6 and 0/3 is the same thing as 6. So now we try to subtract 0 minus 2. We can't do that. So what we do is we borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. And the 1 that we borrowed from the 6 we write as a whole number 1. We will now take the 1 and 0/3 and change this into an improper fraction. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 0 is 3. So we get 3 over 3. Our whole number part is now a 5, and we write the rest of the problem down. So let's look at this number that we have at the top, 5 and 3/3. We started out with the number 6 being our first number. Does 5 and 3/3 equal 6? Well, yes, it does. This is equal to 5, and 3/3 is equal to 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So we haven't changed the value of this number. This number up here still equals 6. It's just written in a really funny way. So now we will subtract 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And we keep the same denominator. And 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So 6 minus 2/3 is equal to 5 and 1/3.